Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system, so the option with gear icon. Then let's tap on backup, and here tap on turn on. So we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section, so just tap on next. And I forgot to mention, I believe, you need to have the internet connection, so make sure that you've got connection to Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then here we can tap on add account. And in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and then tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And right here, just choose our account that we just added. And now finally, we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup. So photos and videos or other device data, or both. It's completely up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on confirm. As you can see, right now we've got this greenish color here. So everything was added successfully. I mean our account. So now we can tap on other device data. So the option I've chose, and here we can check, for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, and here we can check how much, what kind of data was already accomplished. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now here, and now your device is backing up the data. However, just a quick disclaimer, if you will tap on backup now, I highly recommend switching from the mobile data to Wi-Fi, because the backup is quite, I would say, costly if it comes to the data that is sent. So it is better to use Wi-Fi for that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.